Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. Overall market was slow due to the bank holidays in the US, but we managed a decent profit, especially at the London morning session. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. And as always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and we had such a nice beautiful short and long on Friday. And at the market open, as explained to my trader, look for here at this level. You can see here price respected here and also respected here. The price was at this level. So as explained, if the price gonna break, then short we need a pullback, or otherwise we're expecting a long, and at least price might gonna hit this level and look for short at this level. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries through intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the market open, that was a pretty straightforward. I explained, look for pullback. That's the first priority. As you can see here, we had a pullback, and literally the price nicely hit to the first target, as you can see here, after this pullback. And at the London morning session, I explained price developed another sort of like a correction, as you can see here. Again, beautiful based on the momentum. Our priority was the pull breakout long. Price nicely broken and hit the target, bank few PPs. And at the New York session, as we can see here, we were watching in 4-hour at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. Look for the short trade here, but we need a valid technical entry. As you can see here, price develop a false breakout, and price develop also respected previously. Safest way to break out, and another safest way to break out and retest, which you can see here, price broken and retest. Some of the traders are still holding, but if you look at in 4-hour, we have a bearish engulfing candle. So you guys, you can see here we managed few decent pips on EURUSD. Let me share with you the pound dollar. We had amazing trade, bank amazing profit on the pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour chart at the market open, explain my trader, look here, the price technically should respect but did not. Price broken and retest, and explain to my trader, look for this long trade here, and let's see if the price gonna hit this target, which price nicely did hit this target London morning. At the New York session, we also had this counter short trade here. Right now, it looks like price developed a bearish engulfing candle, but the price is also respecting this level. We'll see tomorrow if the price gonna break, then the continuation. Otherwise, still possibility price might going to be stay within this structure. So we'll see tomorrow. But let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the market open and the price develops sort of like correction. That's a beautiful breakout, bank few PPs, and then market open, and afterwards, as you can see here, price developed consolidation until the London open, and that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we have the bullish engulfing candle in 4-hour, and price nicely respected this support level. As you can see here, after the breakout, price nicely respected twice. You can see here double bottom at the support level, momentum was bullish, and we have another pullback after this breakout. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see, so we're expecting a reversal, but we need a technical entry being an intraday. So you can see here the price that's nicely developed a double top here. Price refused to develop, broken the previous low, but price also broken the recent high previously. So yeah, that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here through live analysis, that was the pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, we had a decent profit on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful short trade here. Technically, if you look at here, price nicely broken after the breakout, and we have another pullback. That was a beautiful short trade here, and at the Asian session and also in the London morning session. And let me share with you the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at here at the market open, as explained to my trader, we have a very strong bearish momentum. We're expecting another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, and in intraday, That was a beautiful breakout short trade here in the London morning session. We banked some profit and I said look for another breakout. As you can see here, based on the another analysis in the London morning session, as you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout, price retest, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, I also did this analysis. Let me share with you. This is still valid, as you can see here. That's what I explained to my trader. Look here, this analysis is still updated. We haven't updated, but most of my traders are still holding a short trade here. That's what I explained. Look here, if the price gonna break, then long here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this level, which is this level, which is recently right now just price broken, then look for the short trade here. So you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and helping my traders to bank profit every single day. So as always, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, and you will get feedback on all of your trades. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train traders every single day with a live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.